Behind me is a house that we just recently finished. One of our crews, amazing crews, was really quick with this. It was an actual tile roof before this beautiful color went on, which is a Sheffield Dark Bronze 24 gauge steel. It is a snap block panel. There was a lot of hip, a lot of valley on this house. The guys specifically molded this steel to fit here in the valley so that everything came together as one. Cool thing about this roof is the back side. Back in the back, we have a cathedral eyebrow. You'll notice that we had one valley, two valleys at the bottom. It's an intersecting valley that comes together. The hip on this thing had to be perfect so that no leaks or anything could possibly happen on this hip. We redid gutters on the house as well. As you can tell, we eyebrowed out the gutters around here so that it would fit correctly. It has steel grating on the top of these. That's our seamless gutter system that we have here at JMAR. We have a long open roof side over here where it comes into a double hip in the front, which it just completely makes this house look twice as big as what it was before with the tile roof on it. We also, in putting steel, actually relieved a lot of pressure off of the roof as well, which in this type of span over a garage area, you can absolutely believe there was a lot of strain on your inside structure. Follow us for next time for a wonderful video with JMR and hopefully another roof that I'm on top of.